supple him. He's a little, ride him. Supple it, come on. Just supple softly. You got a little strong there. Sit up. Just supple, no leaning. Yeah, just make it easy for him. Go straight, supple loose. Oh, it's all right, it's all right. Okay, keep going. You're lucky you saved it. Keep going. Good job, Billy. Supple loose. You're all right. Supple loose circle. Nice. Ride it. Come on. Good. Hands are down. Elbows, elbows, elbows. Supple loose. Elbows. Go straight. Next time. Next. All right. That's all right. You pulled it off. I was late telling you because I was worried about your elbows. Good job. Circle. She's so good, though. She does such a good job. Circle. I mean, she's just awesome. Circle. Nice riding, Billy. Isn't that awesome?
Yes.
Isn't that great? And to your trot. Rising, go. Now ride him. Ride him. Supple loose. You're great. Supple loose. You got it. Awesome, huh? And now a little sit, and you let him walk. Keep him round, soft. Sit. You're all right. Sit down. Elbows. Beautiful. Pat down. Hey, you're a star. You did a great job with all the pressure. Good job. Well done. How'd that feel?
Good.